Hey, what's up guys, it's me George again, here with another quick video, and I have for you a great lens that I just got today. Okay, so this is the Samyang or Rokinon 12mm f2 wide-angle lens for mirrorless camera, in this case for the Sony NEX system. So this is a great option for your A6000, 6300 and 6500 for Sony, or the the more expensive one, A7S, A7S2, A7R2, because this, as you can see, is a 12mm f2 lens. Great aperture, great wide angle. It's a manual lens only. It doesn't have any connections to the camera, but it's very cheap. It's like 300 bucks, 320, something like that. So yeah, let's take a look at what's inside the box. Okay, so here's the box. As you can see, it says Samyang, although you can sometimes find it as a Rokinon. It's the same brand, but the only difference is that in the US they sell it as a Rokinon, and outside the US, anywhere in the world, it's a Samyang brand lens, but it's the same one. It says 12mm f2.0 ultra wide angle lens for mirrorless cameras. They make it for Fuji, for Sony, and for other Pentax, I believe, Olympus, and other mirrorless cameras. So let's take a look at the box outside. So in here it says, let me get a close-up look. It says same 12mm f2. Here's in black with the red ring. On the right side we have the specifications. It goes from f2.0 to f22. It has 12 elements in 10 groups. Yeah, and 2 spherical lenses. The minimum focusing distance is 0.2 meters, pretty close. And the filter size is 67mm, and the maximum diameter is 72mm. They have mounts for Canon, Fuji, Samsung NX, Sony E, micro 4/3. Yeah, and the weight is 240 grams, more or less. On the back, we can see that I also sell it in silver. Sometimes you can find it cheaper in silver, so take a look at that. So yeah, this is the box. So let's take a look at what's inside. So, pretty simple box. I got this for around 340 bucks. Pretty simple box, as you can see. And inside, we get a nice pouch. It's a canvas pouch, nicely padded. It's a cheap one, but you can throw it in the bag instead. What else do we have in the box? We have the instruction manual, as well as the quality certificate, and nothing else in the box. So yes, this is the pouch, and here's the lens. Okay, so it says, let me get a close up of this. It says Samyang up top. You can also find it in Rokinon. It's a pinch plastic cap. Yeah, this is the front element. Pretty tiny. This is the lens hood, which is a plastic lens hood, but also detachable. It says made in Korea and Samyang. Put that aside. So make it an even closer look of the lens. Yeah, there we go. Okay, it says 12mm f2.0. Yes, nano crystal coating. Yeah, I believe so. And a spherical element Samyang. Pretty nice. Fits flat, so you can put some filters on the filter threading here, which is metal. Yeah, the lens feels pretty solid, pretty sturdy. It says made in Korea. Korea, how do you call it? It has a nice red accent ring here. Has the distance scale, the focusing ring here. Ooh, I like how it turns because it's not so tight, but not so easy to just fit around. Here's the aperture ring. It goes from f2. Let me get a close up to f22. On the back, it says for Sony in this case, and it's metal. The back element is pretty deep in, so no worries about scratching it easily. Dot, so you can connect it, but you can see there's no electronic connectors in here because this is a manual only lens. It's a pretty nice weight to it. It doesn't feel cheap at all. This is the lens with the lens cap, and just let me install the hood. Yeah, so that is the full lens, even with the lens hood on. It's pretty tiny, as you can see. It fits in my hand. And yes, I was looking for a nice, compact lens for some real estate photography, architecture photography, and some for using at the weddings. Using it with the Sony a6000 we have in there. So let's take a look at how it looks with the camera attached. So this is the pancake lens. This is the kit lens that comes with the Sony. Just by comparing them side by side. Yeah, got it. Okay, so just comparing them side by side, it's like twice as large as the kit lens, but when this is powered on and turned on, it will extend. So usually like almost the same height. I think it's up to here. But yeah, they feel great. So yeah, we now connect it to the camera. Red dot to white dot. Ooh, nice connection. Okay, let me get a close-up look at this. Okay, so yeah, so this is how it fits on the Sony a6000. It has a nice weight to it. Almost front heavy, but just barely. It's not that significant, because usually this lens you either have it like, hold it like a nice grip, or you put it on a tripod for landscape, architectural, real estate photography, right? I hope that I can use this with my gimbal setup. I have a 3x gimbal that supports up to 600 grams, so I hope that this will hold with the weight. It's 240 for the lens and like 400 for the camera. So I hope it can still hold this thing. So yeah, so this was like a quick unboxing and first impressions of the Samyang or Rokinon 12mm f2.0 lens. In this case for the Sony E-mount system. Yeah. So I will put up some samples so you can see how this lens performs. Okay, so stay tuned for that. Okay guys, so that was a quick unboxing and first impressions of the Samyang 12mm f2.0 lens for, in this case, the Sony E-mount system. So I hope you liked the video. I hope it was useful for you. I hope you pick up this lens if you're in need of any budget, wide angle, ultra wide angle lens for a great price for your Sony system or mirrorless camera. So stay tuned for more reviews and for the full review and some comparisons for this lens with other lenses. Okay, so thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget, I will leave the links in the description down below. Bye guys.